In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Stima SACCO balance for free. So if you are a member of Stima SACCO and you have been wondering, how can I check my balance for free? Now, the best way to do it is through the Stima SACCO Internet Banking that we are going to use. If you try to check your balance using maybe the Stima mobile app, there is a deduction that will be made from your account for around 7 shillings, I think so. Because I'm a member, I have experienced this. Now, there is a way that you can check your Stima SACCO balance, and not even a single shilling will be deducted from your Prime account. To get started, just go to any browser and search for Stima SACCO, and then you will land on this Stima SACCO page. So once you are here, scroll down to the bottom and look for an option called Internet Banking. Internet Banking is here. Go ahead and register by using this self-registration option that is here. You will need to enter your membership number, your phone details to get on board, and you can do this at the comfort of your home without the need of going to the SACCO banking hall. So for my case, I already have, and what I only need to do is to log in. So when you press login, you'll get an OTP pin. The OTP will be sent to your phone. So enter it and log in. Great. Now here you are in your dashboard, and now you can perform various tasks. You can perform various things. And one of the major things you can do is to check your balance. And when you check your balance, you will not be charged anything. So to check to select the account, if you want the account, because you have the Prime, you have the shares account, and you have the Alpha deposit account. So you choose any of them to check your balance. So for instance, if I want to check my Prime account balance, I just simply select Prime account and then show balance, and it will show you your balance. Now, if I want to check my shares balance, I just click on shares and then I click on show balance. Then it will eventually show my balance. The same applies to Alpha deposit account. If you want to check the balance, you can do it. Now, to prove that there was no money deducted from your Prime account while checking the balance, you can come here and look for mini statements, and it will show you the history of all the transactions on your account. As you can see here, today is on 21st, and the last date any amount, any transaction happened here was on 18th. So this tells you that today no deduction has been made from my Prime account. So that's how you check your Prime account balance with Stima SACCO. And still, apart from that, even the mini statement, as we have checked, it is still free. No deduction will be made for you to check the mini statement or even the full statement. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.